In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a go-to-market strategy in Google Gemini. By the end, you'll know how to prompt Gemini for a clear, actionable plan, refine the output to match your goals, and save it in a format you can actually use. First, open Google Gemini and start a new chat. A fresh chat keeps the context focused on a single project and makes the responses more accurate. If you already have a workspace open, simply begin a new thread so your strategy doesn't mix with other topics. Next, decide the product, service, or business you're building this strategy for. Be specific. If you're launching a new app, note the category, the problem it solves, and your primary business goal, like signups or paid conversions. The more concrete you are, the better Gemini can tailor recommendations. Now write a prompt that tells Gemini exactly what you need. Include your target audience, positioning, pricing approach, channels, and marketing tactics. Specify your industry or product type so the strategy aligns with real-world norms. Ask for clear steps and actionable recommendations you can execute right away. For example, you could say, Baro, create a go-to-market strategy for a product or service in the industry. Define the target audience, positioning, pricing approach, and primary channels. Include marketing tactics, a simple launch timeline, and clear, step-by-step actions. You can also mention a preferred format, such as sections with headings, and ask for assumptions to be stated so you can verify them later. When Gemini generates the plan, review it against your goals. Check whether the audience segments match your ideal customers and whether the positioning reflects your unique value. If the pricing or channels feel off, ask Gemini to refine them. Request more depth where needed, like competitive comparisons, sample messaging, or a first 90 days timeline. If you have constraints, such as a limited budget or a specific market, tell Gemini to adjust targeting, channel mix, and expected results accordingly. Keep iterating until the plan feels practical and aligned with your objectives. Finally, save or format the strategy for implementation. Copy it into your preferred document editor, add clear headings and due dates, and convert the action items into a simple checklist or timeline. If helpful, ask Gemini to summarize the plan into a one-page brief for stakeholders and keep the chat link or transcript for future updates as your strategy evolves. That's it. With a focused prompt, thoughtful review, and clean formatting, you'll have a go-to-market plan you can put to work immediately.